Is your network closet a tangled mess of wires? This 48-port Cat6 patch panel from ZOERAX might just be the hero you need. It promises to bring order to chaos, and honestly, it's a pretty slick solution. Right out of the box, you can tell this isn't some flimsy piece of equipment. It's built with a solid, all-in-one design that immediately impressed me. The integrated cable management system is a game changer, making it so much easier to keep everything neat and tidy. No more spaghetti junction behind your rack. Installation is straightforward, especially if you're familiar with 110 type termination tools, which this panel is fully compatible with. This means you can punch down your Cat6 cables quickly and efficiently, saving you valuable time. And when it comes to performance, this panel is gigabit ready, meaning it's designed to handle those high-speed network connections without breaking a sweat. I was particularly pleased with how robust the punch-down connections felt, giving me confidence in the reliability of the network. The 2U height is a smart design choice, allowing for a substantial 48 ports without taking up too much valuable rack space. This is crucial for anyone looking to maximize efficiency in their network installations, whether it's for a home lab or a small business setup. The RJ45 ports are standard and fit perfectly, and the overall build quality feels durable enough to last. It's the kind of component that just works, allowing you to focus on the bigger picture of your network. For anyone looking to upgrade their network infrastructure and bring some much-needed organization to their cabling, this ZOERAX patch panel is a seriously strong contender. It delivers on its promises of compatibility, performance, and ease of use. It's a solid, well-built piece of kit that makes managing a 48-port network a breeze. Overall, this ZOERAX 48-port Cat6 patch panel is a fantastic addition to any rack. It's a practical, high-performance solution that brings order and reliability to your network.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.